Greetings YouTube, performance reviews where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today I have a Miele Classic C1 Turbo. And I hear this is actually their best-selling machine right now. And it makes sense. This is a hard floor, area rug, or really low pile commercial carpet style machine. It is not made for high pile carpet or even medium pile carpet. And it comes equipped with the infamous Visselwerk TK286, which is the best turbo on the market in 2022. This is a great package and it's convenient. So I think if you live in an apartment or a smaller area, this is a great option for you. Now, I want to say before I get going, this is a 19-foot cord. So again, it is for a smaller area. I have a whole video on the C1, C2, C3, what all those are for, and they're basically for different size houses. Let's get started with the unboxing. Now, before I go any further, if you're looking to pick up a Miele, I recommend you go to the description, follow the link to the local Miele dealer, and you'll find one in your area. If there's not one in your area, I'll have a link to this on Amazon as well. The prices between the two should be the same. As we open this up, give you a little instructions on how to pull out the machine out of the box, and it's even illustrated to the type of machine we're pulling out of the box. That's attention to detail. They tell you what kind of bags it takes, of course, as well. And we can see the machine's a very bright blue, but let's first pull out what the machine comes with. So, a Miele branded Turbo TK286. This is for your area rugs or really low pile carpet. Everything just fell out. We get a parquet tool, very basic. We get a hose handle. We get a tool holder, and in the tool holder, I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but it actually tells you which tool to put where, so everything fits on perfectly. Kind of nice. You get a newer style wand. Miele has changed their wand up. It's a very nice wand. It even has a little rubber bumper if you set it down on the wall. You have the hose, and the hose is symmetrical. You can plug in either end to the canister or the hose handle. Manual. The machine itself, and you can see it's only one piece of styrofoam used. Truly amazing, the packing that Miele does. All right, that's everything that comes in the box. You have your dusting brush, upholstery crevice tool, a area rug tool, your hard floor tool, a hose, a wand, and a hose handle, a set of manuals. One bag comes pre-installed in the machine. You can add a HEPA filter, and this does have sealed HEPA filtration if you do that, but it's not going to come with a HEPA filter standard. On a note of the bags of filters, every time that you open this, you do just want to reseat your bag, because when it opens up, you saw that it popped the bag out partially. You just want to reinsert the bag. When these bags get full, they should be stuffed like a pillow. They hold quite a bit. The filters here get changed every 4 bags, and they come with a box of bags if you buy the bags. So no need to worry about those. That just shuts. You have your full bag indicator right there. On the body of the machine, we have a max and a minimum suction. Some icons for suggestions of use, but you can stop the dial wherever you'd like. Let's go ahead and assemble the machine. It's fairly easy. Hose just plugs into here. The tool holder just clips on here, like so. And what's kind of an optical illusion with these tools is no matter where the hose is, the canister is wider than the angle of the tools. So you're not actually going to knock these tools off. And even if I shake this vigorously upside down, those tools are going to stay in place. So even though they're there and they look like they're going to fall off, believe me, they're not. On the back of the machine here, there's a parking space. So we can park either floor nozzle. There's our wand. And then the last thing to do is plug in our hose handle right there, just like so. And we're all ready to clean. So this is not Miele's typical hard floor tool that we see on their premium models. While it does swivel nicely, as you can see, you have to hold it at the right angle. So that means adjusting the wand to your height is important to using this tool. If you hold it wrong, it's gonna basically bottom out and not make a seal with the floor. And again, this is a very old style floor tool. It's been around longer than I can name, at least 30 years. And there's nothing wrong with it, but you have to be conscious of that nuance unlike their parquet twister and some of their other floor tools. The soft wheels on it will keep it from scratching the floor, and there's a gap for edge cleaning on this. The parquet twister might be a worthwhile upgrade if you do get one of these and have a lot of hard floor, as it doesn't bottom out, adjusts at any angle, and swivels so nicely. One of the features this is missing compared to the premium models is you have to sit and actually hold the cord rewind button. With the premium models, it's just a one touch and it will retract. Your on-off button is also right here, your suction control as well. Let's see how much suction this little machine gets. 80 inches sealed suction at a mile high altitude is a great number. 51 inches of working vacuum is even a better number. So excellent numbers from Miele, exactly what we expect from the company whose saying is forever better. All right, we've switched to our studio microphone, so you're gonna hear the real sound of the machine from about a meter away. And this machine does not have a HEPA filter, so this is probably the loudest case scenario with the Miele. It also has a turbo. So let's see how it sounds. It's very, very quiet. You could have a conversation with this thing going on in the background. No problem. All right, I put some breakfast cereal, some fresh dog hair, and some very fine white sand down on this carpet. So this is kind of like the worst case scenario for this. Let's see how it does. All right, so you notice I picked up the fine debris, the breakfast cereal, no problem. Picked up the pet hair for the most part, but left a little trail there. And I'll show you where that trail came from. Trail came from where there was no agitation. This has the belt in the middle versus one of the sides. And you never need to change this belt, but if you're trying to pick up a lot of animal hair, you might have to make a couple extra passes. Again, this is not meant for wall-to-wall carpet like it's on right now. It's meant for an area rug. You can also get access to the turbo through this door right here, which is nicely labeled Miele. The knob here opens up air, which allows the turbine to spin faster or slower, is what this does. It's not going to make a huge difference, but certain types of rugs, it might. This clear window is something I don't like about this machine. This clear window is going to get real dirty real fast as it gets sandblasted with debris in there. Well, we've got some sand, some fresh pet hair, and some breakfast cereal. Let's see how it does on hard floor. Well, as you can see, it's a hard floor monster. It will just pick up pretty much anything you put on hard floor that's dry. Hey folks, thanks for joining us on this unboxing of this Miele C1 Turbo Team. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. If you have one of these, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. I want to hear how you like it, how it's doing. If you're thinking about getting this, again, I want to hear from you. Comment below. If you really want to talk vacuum cleaners, check out our Discord server where we talk vacuum cleaners all day long. If you wish to purchase one of these, there'll be a link down below. That helps us out a whole lot if you click on the Amazon link. If you want to find your local dealer, which I highly encourage you to do, check that out. I'll put that in the description as well. And if you really like what we're doing, check out our Patreon where we have exclusive content. Have yourself a wonderful day.